Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's talk about Webull versus TradeStation. Which one is honestly better? So I've broken this one into sections starting from the overview, features and differences, pricing, best for whom, and my honest verdict. Let's start with the overview. So first, Webull. It's a modern app-based trading platform. Focuses on the commission-free stock, ETF, and options trading. It has a slick mobile and desktop experience. This is popular among new investors and active traders who want zero commission trades. Now, this is perfect if you want low cost trading and also you're an active trader. Now, for the next one, TradeStation. This is a long established brokerage with pro level trading tools. It's famous for advanced charting, fast execution, and customized platforms. Serves both active retail traders and professionals. And this is perfect if you're a serious trader needing pro-grade tools, and you want advanced customizations and fast executions. Meaning, the main differences of the two is that Webull is going to be for beginners, that's going to be on the surface level on the tools, and TradeStation, you're going to be a pro level, and so on and so forth. Now for the features and comparison, starting from Webull, it has sticks and ETFs, same both for TradeStation. Now the only difference I see here would be futures trading. Webull, it doesn't have that one. And TradeStation has features like your futures, options on futures. Also, for this one, it has account minimum for Webull that's going to be 0. Same goes for TradeStation, 0 for TS Go, and $2,000 for TS Select. Now for Webull, you have assisted trades that will be no, sorry about that. For TradeStation, you can have assisted trades, given you have to pay for them. And for Webull, API access is limited, whereas in TradeStation, it has advanced API available. Talking about the pricing, start from Webull right there. It has a $0 commissions on stocks, $0 minimum deposit, and contract free up to 0.55 per contract. The margin risk for this one will be 9.74%. Varies with balance. Crypto spread supply, no direct commissions for this one. For the next one, TradeStation, it's gonna be 0 commissions but higher fees for desktop platform use. They also have future commissions which is 1.50 to 2.25 per contract plus fees. Margin rates run from 9.5 up to 11.25. Again, that varies by balance. If you want the assisted trades by broker, that would be $50 per trade. It offers a more complex pricing but offers professional tools. Ease of use for this one, Webull, it's a slick modern interface, super beginner friendly. Now for TradeStation, it's a steeper learning curve, insanely powerful charting and tools. But again, you have to be a pro in trading to use properly for TradeStation. Now best for whom? For Webull, you have to choose it if you want easy commission-free trading, and you love modern and mobile applications. For the next one, TradeStation, you're a serious trader if you want to use this one, with complex strategies. And my honest verdict? So Webull is honestly the better choice for new traders or cost-conscious investors who want a slick, zero commission experience. However, if you're a pro, go for TradeStation because this is honestly the king for serious traders who want pro tools, features trading, and deep customization. And that's it.